Blessed to the 12th tribe of Israel. And first and foremost, we have to give our praises unto the Most High and His beloved Son, Yahushua. Today I'm going to be making a banana rum cake. And yes, I would like to big up all my subscribers who subscribe to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. So catch me on the next cooking adventure. So in this bowl I have 3 large eggs. So adding to my large eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil, one cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 1 shot of white rum. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix this up. Yes people, so right here I got 2 cups of flour, so I'm going to be adding half of it. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours, take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? So I'm going to be using 3 ripe banana. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to crush them out. So adding into the mixture a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So now I'm going to add in the flour. So I'm going to put it in a strainer and sift it in. So right now in my mixing bowl I have 1 cup of flour in. So I'm going to mix this out first and then cup. So I mix out the first cup, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the last cup in. So the last cup is in, so I'm going to mix this out. Okay, so the last cup is mixed out, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add half a cup of milk, 1 cup of oats, and then I'm going to mix this up. Okay, so the oats and the milk is mixed in. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the banana and some nutmeg. So yes family, so the banana and nutmeg is in. So I'm going to mix this up. So the last thing I'm going to be adding in is some coconut milk powder. So the coconut milk powder is in. I'm going to mix this out. So I preheat my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to oil my pan. So my batter is in my pan, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes. Yes family, so my cake is all finished. So I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it. Nice and soft. Remember, if you like these recipes, and you want to do them at home, you can drop it down in the comment section and I will share them with you. Blessed to the 12th tribe of Israel. Shalom.